Dzień dobry. Good day in Polish. I'm making my way now to the Polski Sklep, which is the Polish shop. So come along with me, guys. I'm about to show you what they got in the Polish shop. I'm probably gonna pick up a Polish beer and a snack. Right, let's go. Here it is. Right, I'm now inside the Polish shop. Now, it's got chocolate here, some snacks, Polish bread, some chocolates here, liquor, alcohol. Oh, these look nice. Looking yummy. Suplica. I tried that when I was in Poland. We've got more liquor here. What should I get? A Polish drink. Lech. I know Lech is a Polish drink. Here it is, so I'll get Lech. Hello, you alright, boss?
I'm right.
You good? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Right. Show you guys around what they have. Looks like a jam, like a sauce, mayonnaise here as well. Tasty. Olives, beans. They've got meat in the back as well. Wow. Fish, sausage, meat, pork. And they also have tea here as well. Polish tea. Milk in the corner. Got some snacks here as well on the other side. I actually came here for Polish beer and a Polish snack, so I can let you guys know how the snacks taste in the shop as I'm doing a Polish shop review. Okay, they got some sausages here as well. Got the meat here as well. Fridge. Got cheese at the top, lactose milk, salam here as well. They got more cheese here. Right, I'm gonna get myself a roll or a bread roll, something like that. They got a fridge here as well in the back. Okay. Got some pizzas here. Let's have a look. I'd like to try some drink. Got myself a Polish beer. Get myself one of these as well, maybe. That looks quite nice. That looks nice. Got some sweets here as well. Right, I want to try some Polish cakes. What cakes?
What do you want?
Can I try?
Apple one, This is apple, this is chocolate.
I would like to try apple, please.
Apple.
What one? Where's the apple one?
This is the apple one, isn't it? Apple cake.
All right. And how much is this slice?
$4.99 a slice.
Okay, $4.99. Is it big?
This is alright, man.
How much is this one? This one looks really nice as well.
$1.99. Look, this is the slice. Too big?
Yeah, I like chocolate. Chocolate and cream is lovely.
That's $1.99.
Okay. And this one, please, yeah?
Alright.
Thank you very much. All right then. Can I have a bag as well? What is the name of that one?
What?
The
Eclair.
what's it called?
Eclair.
Okay.
Eclair.
Eclair. And they got some spices, some seasonings here as well. Oh yeah, that looks lovely.
It's nice. It's very nice.
It's very nice, yeah?
$3.38, please. Thank you.
There you are. Thank you very much.
पैसे बाद दे बहुत काट दे पेन मेरे को पैसे बाद दे बहुत काट दे पेन की सारे bag.
No, I'm alright, I'll put it in my bag, yeah? Alright, got myself Polish beer, which is, I'm not sure how you guys pronounce this. Is it called Lech or Lech? And I got myself a snack as well. Alright, so we're gonna go try it now and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Thief not allowed in the shop. That's funny. Alright, so this is what I got. Let me just show you. It looks so lovely. Look, it's got cream inside and chocolate on the outside. Let me give it a go, yeah? That's delicious. It's got like a vanilla creamy flavor on the inside with an absolutely deliciously chocolate coating on the outside. Delicious. I think it's time to try the beer. What do you guys think? Want to try the beer with me? Let's go. Okay guys, it's time to crack this Polish beer. Bloody warm. I don't like warm beer. Cold beer is the best. It's not bad. I wonder how many Polish people are here drinking this Lech. Look at this. That's disgusting, isn't it? That is absolutely disgusting. Looks like I've sat in a beer spot where people come and sit down and drink beer. Do you know what? It tastes quite bitter. I suppose it's all right. Right, so you've seen what I showed you in the Polish shop. You've seen what is there, and I've tried the beer and the Polish snack, guys. So there it is.